All aircraft, we've got a report of a wildfire.
Come on, boys, let's load up!
There she burns, fellas!
Watch your altitude.
Dusty crop hopper, the air is...
Crap hopper!
You're smaller than I thought, but that's okay.
Thanks. You came here to become a firefighter.
Bullseye!
I will never understand why you want to jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
We're not. We're jumping out of you.
Get out of this airspace!
Sorry!
Copy that, Jefe! Rip off his landing gear.
What? Give him a go. Oh, hop the wheels, genius.
Oh.
I'm Dipper. That's what everyone calls me.
Mrs.
Miss.
Miss.
Yeah.
Dipper.
Dipper.
Yep.
Mr. Mayday.
Is that guy writing down everything I say?
Yes.
So he just wrote that down?
Yes.
And that?
Yes.
And that?
Yes.
Oh, Chevy.
Let's load and go.
We're headed straight into the fire.
Brace yourselves.
How's the park's wildlife population?
Well, if you come to the party night, there'll be plenty of party animals.
It's like Mama's jalapeno chili. Spicy.
Twice.